fake encounter se masida 1500 still Supreme Court pending lay high se madu summeba madu ay latest information je ay singtok jageba madu way back 1988 adwai digi accumulated figure neba sima number 1 adigi ani suba amna hujiksi National Human Rights Commission OBI State Human Rights Commission OBI Manipur State ta sajanaba encounter tauraga fake encounter tauraga 1500 laire masi maral laiba madaida madai involved to mayam sing to maybe state force OBI central force OBI madu phajana trial chathabiraga bichar chathabiraga dandi pbu haidna Supreme Court ta wakat paneba but the Supreme Court has yes each and every case we will definitely take up and will trial adu noina city 1500 nina khwaidagi 100% chumani correct way ni haiba case 50 60 khakta lokhatlu na applicants in haiba tarine mada haireba adu 50 60 moina lokhalai bududi Central Paramilitary Force maybe CRPF aduga army or maybe Assam Rifle involved to the case ngakta woiraba adudi government of India ki particularly Minister of Home Affairs ki prosecution sanction ama darkar leba madu government of India na Supreme Court na madu trial chatharage mana leibadu dandi pirage prosecution sanction piu haibda government of India na huju pi de lei aina haibdi pending leite lalamoi haibagi wanataba masima ai singtok chaningba